So let's see, I think they're gonna try and start the car. And I really hope they can get it started. Hello.
Hey. Hey.
So you guys are gonna try?
Yeah. Give it a shot.
What have you done to it so far?
We were messing around with it. We figured out that the electric fuel pump on it was dead.
Yeah.
So we got a new one of those, hooked that up, got everything all clean, so it's all pretty now.
Uh-huh.
And we replaced the mechanical fuel pump as well, because it's like the electrical pumps it up to the engine and the mechanical one kind of feeds it into the engine itself.
Uh-huh.
And now we're just priming the carbs so we can at least get a couple turns over before it starts sucking through.
Okay.
And hopefully it'll start up.
Oh God, I hope it starts too so I can steal it in the middle of the night and drive it down a ditch. I mean, for my kid's sake, I hope it starts.
Hold it. Prime it again.
You're gonna have to do that every time you start it?
Just until the fuel gets into the car.
Okay. Go ahead one more time. One more time.
Is anything gonna blow up?
Maybe.
Hope not.
Could it?
No.
No.
It smells.
Well,
Okay. All of them probably again.
Damn.
Yeah, it's so close.
What are you spraying on
Do
it?
you have the choke in? Or
yeah.
No? Okay.
Battery's starting to die.
And so the battery dies?
Well, we've been...
Oh!
Darn! Oh, it's so close.
It's gonna like blow out this big huge puff of black crap out the back.
Probably.
Oh my God.
It's still not getting fuel. It's only just firing a little bit of gas I'm giving it.
Yeah. Have you checked those fuel lines that are actually going straight into the carbs?
No. I want to give it one more shot.
Alright.
Come on, please start.
Yeah, please start.
Are you pouring gasoline in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Did you stand back because you thought it was gonna blow up?
Well, just in case if it backfires.
You're kidding, right?
No, it can backfire, yeah. It has a spark arrestor on it, though. Okay. Come on, this is it. Hold the gas all the way down to the floor. Yeah, it's still gas starved. Because it's firing, but it's just not.
I think I'm gonna pass out from the exhaust.
Can you kill the choke? Alright, give that a shot.
Gas down or no?
No gas, just see if it'll fire up. No, okay. It's just not getting fuel.